Oh.
Well, I am just so excited to see you all because I have been appointed your tour guide for this portion of your journey. How many of you like to travel? You know, I love to travel, and when I was your age, I set a goal that I'm going to be in every state of this country by the time I'm 21. And you know, up to now, I have been in every state except North Dakota and Alaska. I've been from Maine to Florida. When I was freshman in college, I drove cross country across the top, and then I drove cross country across the bottom, through the deserts and through the mountains. And you know, wherever I went, and why I love to travel? Why do you love to travel? You said you travel. Why do you like to travel? Yep.
I see new places.
You see places. I travel not just to see places, I travel to meet people. And wherever I go, I find, gee, everybody may look different, they may have different languages, because then I made a goal after I'd been in all states, then I made a goal that I'm going to go to all the continents by the time I'm whatever. I'm 72, so I haven't made all. But I've been to Australia, I've been to Asia, meaning China and India. I've been to Europe, from Russia to England to France, there. I've been to North America. I haven't been to South America, and I haven't been to Africa. But I've been all over, and I learned, when I went there, I wanted to speak their languages, so I learned about 5 languages. But the point being, today is the beginning of a fantastic journey, which is your journey. And I'm not kidding, because suddenly the State Department of Education, or even the smart people in Washington or wherever they are, decided that the most important subject for you to develop and become good at is finding your story. And then, so this subject has a fancy name. We call it social emotional learning. Someplace it's up there. But we call it changing the story. Because the whole idea of what wisdom thinkers is going to, and your teachers and principals are going to work with you on, is, first, how many of you like stories? You like stories? So, maybe not at this time of the morning, right? But the point is, the stories that get left out most of the time are your stories. Who you are, what you want to do, what you think about. And so this subject of social emotional learning is all about helping you find your story and then go out and change the world. So congratulations, you have been selected to be part of this unique summer leadership program in which you're going to be able to not only find your story, but then by the end, over the 5-week period, you're going to be able to write and create things to help you on your journey